Hi, today I'm reviewing the WorkPro 409050 and 409051 modular interconnecting organizers. I'll tell you how they work and whether they're necessary. There are three sizes: small, medium, and large, but I don't really need the large one, and it's a bit pricey, so I won't be reviewing it here. I'll be talking about the organizers themselves, not the contents. This company has a ton of brands, and you can find them in other colors too. What are they made of and how? The base is polypropylene, the transparent lid is polycarbonate, and it says it's impact resistant. They connect to each other and to other sizes. The bottom has a hook and loop lug and a groove with a latch, and the lid has a matching piece of groove for the lug and a lug for this spring-loaded window. The medium-sized one connects in both directions, if you want the lids to open in different directions. They come with polypropylene dividers, 4 in the medium-sized one and 2 in the small-sized one. They fit into the dovetail slots as you like and are pressed into place by the lid. They slide in easily, and they fall out easily too. Large fasteners don't spill, but small ones might, but only one if shaken vigorously. In some places, I trimmed these partitions with a knife just to make sure everything fits. The hinge pin here is a 2.8 mm diameter steel pin with a notch on one side. In some cases, it fits very tightly, while in others, the slightest vibration causes it to pop out. Dimensions: the small one is 8 by 16 centimeters inside. The medium one is 21 by 16 centimeters. The height of both cases is 2 centimeters, as is the lid. Weight: the small one is 150 grams. The medium one is a little over 300 grams. What can this thing be used for? Using 6 of these boxes, I managed to fit all my essential accessories into a Systainer too. The list of possible uses is endless, from storing all sorts of small items to a first aid kit, and so on. Whatever your imagination and gear allow. Pros, cons, nuances. On the plus side, I can point out the price-quality ratio. It's a pretty solid piece. I've dropped it a couple of times, and there are no cracks or chips, so overall, it inspires confidence. On the minus side, I'd point out the slightly unusual design, which wastes some of the space. Those corners are useless, but that's a minor issue, and the fact that they jam from time to time, either the locks or the latches. On the nuances side, I'd point out that sometimes they sell them for much more, calling it manufacturer's price. If we're talking about a small one, it's worth the $5, but paying $10 for it is ridiculous. The same goes for a medium one, and I think paying $15 or more for it is questionable. So, if you don't want to overpay, look in reputable online stores. You can find some weird prices on marketplaces. Bottom line, as a small modular storage system for everything, I definitely recommend it. It helps get rid of all those jars, boxes, tubes, and other junk. It's tidy and organized. That's all there is to it. Let me know how you find it and what storage systems you use. Subscribe. Good luck to everyone. Well, get some fresh air. Come in.